Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing part two. We're gonna be doing part 2 of what I got at Spirit Halloween. We're gonna show you the other masks that I did get. I wanted these own 2 masks to get their own videos because that's what they deserve. And if you're interested to see the first mask that I got, feel free to watch the previous video and then come back to this one, or watch this one first and then that one. But yeah, I'm so excited. They're both amazing. And yeah, once again, if you want Spirit Halloween to work with me, feel free to tag on the Instagram and be like, hey, Q, when's the coupon code? Send her something, work with her. I don't know, it'd be cool. Just throwing an idea out there. But yes, if you guys are interested to see and what I got, then keep on watching. I hate that they put the mailing shipping shit over the freaking logo of Spirit Halloween, because I would have kept this bag. No, they didn't want that. So enough of me talking, let's get right to it. You guys are gonna get the first look. I don't want to damage anything. Okay, so this is gonna be the second mask. This is gonna be a second surprise to me. This is gonna be a surprise to me because I've only ordered these online. I've seen how they look, but not in person. All right, let me get the first look. Oh my god, oh my god, this shit clean, bro. This shit clean. The camera doesn't even do justice. Have you seen that disco ball at the Scooby-Doo movie? It has the spikes and shit. This is what this reminds me of. But dude, look at that work. Spirit Halloween put their whole Spirit Doocy into this freaking season. Would you look at that? Okay, the band, the tag, I don't even give a fuck. I'm not even a serious collector, but I don't even give a fuck about the tag. But bro, look at this shit. Oh my gosh, this shit feels clean, nice and clean, very nice. I don't even know the freaking material it was used. It could be bedazzled, dazzled shit for all I know. Douglas, if you're watching this video, please let me know. I know you're busy, so I don't want to message you and bug you, but that, oh my gosh, I am so mesmerized. I mainly got this mask because it reminded me of the freaking disco ball, the Scooby-Doo movie. I think it was the first one where it was the Spooky Island disco ball. It was a Spooky Island disco ball, and I love how they put the sparkly shroud to go with this, not just the glittery, not just the bedazzled mask. They also put it on this one. But yeah, overall this is so freaking cool. And once again, I like how they even get underneath the neck. This is the neck, totally. I know anatomy. So I like how they even got like every single inch of surface. This looks like a crescent moon, but I really like how they did not miss a single piece of surface on this mask. They literally bedazzled everything. I do see an issue. I just noticed it, but in the mouth right here, I know that in this side of the mouth it's glued and this side is kind of missing, but you know what, that's okay. I don't give a fuck. I'm just saying, I'm just trying to be a professional mask collector. But I personally don't care. But I'm just saying, like, it's a little, if you want to get something with all the freaking squares, go in person, buy it, because if you're ordering online, you're risking some flaws. But you know what, I like it so much, I do not care. And honestly, the cutting strips, you can see some errors. I just realized in the nose too. I honestly, no matter of how flawed it is, I am not mad. I did not do this DIY myself. I paid for it. It looks good from afar. I'm not going to people's face like this, but you can kind of see the flaws. I'm not really mad about that. But once again, if you're a details person, please, I highly suggest you getting that in person, the mask. But let's remove the shroud so you can see all its glory. Dude, I'm so glad I got my freaking lights on. Look at that. Look at this glorious beauty. Oh my god. Yeah, damn. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, collectors, if you're any collectors, this is a must-have mask. This is a must-have. This is so freaking cool and shiny. Nice and sparkly, darkly, nice and sparkalicious. Nice and sparkalicious. I don't even know what I'm saying. But yeah, here's the tag. The tags in this one is also kind of butchered up. It's also scratch, and once again, I did get this for $24.99. If you're gonna get this online elsewhere, by secondhand, you're gonna pay 200 bucks, 80. So get it at Spirit Halloween while you can. Do not mess this opportunity, because it's literally the coolest mask I've ever seen. It's gonna be one of my favorites. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even overhyping it up. It's just, this is cool, and it's called the Ghostface mirror mask. I should have said that at the beginning, but I just got so excited. Like, I can't shut the fuck up. That's how excited I am. And you have to be 15 and up to freaking wear this mask. If you're not 15, don't wear it. Just kidding. Wear this for all I care. It does have the warning sign, do not wear this when operating a vehicle. So just like drinking, it can fucking wait once you get home. Put on the mask once you get home. Do not wear it while driving, because you do not want to get in an accident while being sparkly. Also, be safe. Don't be stupid. But yeah, I'm gonna show the close-ups, and once again, just like the rhinestone mask, I do believe that this was a black canvas mask and that it was glued, because look at how perfectly, ooh, I like the feeling of the mouth. I know the one with the gemstones, it was covered in rhinestones or gemstones, but it's really nice feeling. Let's look on the inside. So with the bedazzled and this type of mask, you do want to be careful, because you do not want the materials are glued on, but at the same time you do not want to risk it coming off, because then it ruins the purpose. So this mask does have the secure string. It does have the T sponge for your forehead, so you can be more comfortable, or also to watch out with your big ass fucking head, as I said in the last video. But it's also black on the inside. The shroud, it feels very amazing. And is there a tag? Is there a tag? Once again, the Spirit Halloween tag, very cutesy. I'm gonna be showing up closes, so I know me doing my up closes right now, it looks like shit, but yeah, this is the mask. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try it on now. We're gonna shut up, and yeah, we're gonna see right now. So excited. Whoa, cute. How does the Scooby-Doo song go? I would put it, but I don't want to get copyrighted. Fuck. This looks so cool. Cool. I'm sorry, I love this mask. Hold on. What did you say?